So let's talk about your outcome for January 27 to February 2. You have this 8 of Wands. You're on the right path kung ano mo itong balak gagawin mo, kung ano mo itong plano mo, the transformation in your life, kung ano mo itong pinaplano mo na bagay for your future, itong seeds na tinatanim mo. You're on the right track, ang sabi ng 8 of Wands. Things will come to you very easily in the coming weeks. I'm seeing good news after good news. The only thing na parang you need to focus on is minsan kasi this is really overwhelming kasi darating siya ng darating probably a new sa trabaho, maraming trabaho darating. Just because you're starting something new, syempre may mga bagay na overwhelming, di ba? So, 8 of Wands is telling you na parang dahan-dahan ka lang, just take things step by step and learn as you go. Sometimes you don't need to know everything kaagad. So, learn